Good morning, everyone. Today, July 19, 2022, Tuesday. So we can tell the Dow Jones last night gained up like 0.61%. So anyway, now is 31,285.8. Just say 31.2. That's okay. So anyway, the best one to gain for today, after last night, so Tesla gain up is now over $732 around that. So anyway, the best Tesla trading like yesterday, like $20 million. So by the way, Apple dropped a little bit. NVDA gained like 2%. So $168. $160 and like 1% is, yeah. So around $16, then $30 you get good profits on, as always, NVDA. So and AMD, so they'll be the most gain up. Doesn't matter when you have to buy back. Doesn't matter like when how much the market moving. So we can tell like Dow Jones, they kind of getting up a little bit. It's over 200 point. So SB 500 getting up like 0.9%. That's 30 some points, not that bad. But NASDAQ getting up 132 points. So for last night, and especially gold getting up a little bit. $6 now is 1,700, and oil kind of still hang around like $100 for 1 peso. So this one global gain, we can tell all of them, still look pretty good. Just CAC 40, 6,000 points. Don't worry about that. So anyway, global look, the economy based on a lot of reasons, but stock still is okay for today, like swing around pretty good, but tomorrow is not. So we can tell Bitcoin now is under 21,000 already, and it's hang around 21, 22. So, and we can tell, by the way, the gold is kind of getting up a little bit. So it's not very concerned that much. So this is option chart. So in option area, the best one you can hang around with is CCL and LCID and MARA. So the cheapest one we can tell LCID, we can beat like 0.33. And next one is 0.160. One is MARA SB, the most cheapest one and easiest one. So this one ETFS. So always SP1 and QQQ always stay on the top of the list, but anyway, they already high price. So if whoever want to involved to SPY and QQQ. Tomorrow is big time. So today I can hang around with XLE. XLE kind of like slow, but it walk really well on slow motion. Yeah, I know. SKYX, so we can tell those the percent is like gained. That's like 43%. And BOXD is like 21%, Mara 21%, and TRT, that's Trial Tech company, like almost 20%, like exactly it's 19.15. So the first stock we will review and take a look for today is QD. Yep, QD is right now is 169, around 175 this morning when the market's just open. That's mean before hours. Before hours, hour, and after hour. That's we always have that 3 circles. So the market cap just over $400 million, but anyway, highest one is 2.18 and lowest one is 0.63. So they ran around one day is 1.64 to 2.18. So pretty good. It's like 60 cents, you know. Like 60 cents for like over $1 stock is pretty good percent. It's like over 40%. So anyway, the second stock for today is RAP or GRAB. GRAB is this company in Singapore. So 2.75 is whatever we see on the V1 right now. And where we should buy 2.49. That's going to be pretty good and concerned price to hang around with. So around 2.40 is the next one. So kind of like today I kind of pick like really slow motion stock. It's not the QD. So RAP is one of like slow gain, but the gain by hours, not just like like minute. This is a stock gain by hours. Yeah, you can tell the way they go really slow, but anyway pretty stable. If you don't have time, go ahead and take this one. If you have time, take QD. Because QD can move really fast, and especially like Tesla, AMC, FCCL, and Apple, Facebook, Twitter, Snap. Those move really fast, and this one is $10 billion for the cap. Highest 117, lowest one 2.5 to 2.8, 30 cent daily rotation. So yearly rotation is $15. That's pretty good. And the third stock for today is Grayscale Ethereum. So Grayscale Ethereum is right now is V1 is 10.76 and should buy around 8.9. 8.9, 8.5. That's be a good one, but that's this one we buy it for C. I have to set them like around 7.6. Don't get them too high for this stock. This stock move really fast, because like in a week, around $5 something jump to at $9 something. So $3.38 billion, that's the cap, and the yearly rotation will be $41, and daily rotation is around $1.20. So pretty good, and we can get from 20 to 50 cents for daily rotation, and It's right now still pretty good price to buy, and if you want to start 100 share to 500 share maximum, so do not put like over 1,000 share. You know, have to buy really low and do 1 or 2 and go. Thank you. Have